I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Visual Studio with the Python workload and a matching interpreter. This ensures the IDE and runtime talk to each other. Once done, enable IntelliSense and the integrated terminal so editing and running stay in one place. Now create a new Python project or open your code folder and set the project's Python interpreter in the bottom right or project settings. This first action gets you to a runnable environment quickly and consistently. Next, you isolate dependencies by creating a virtualenv and selecting it as the project interpreter so package versions don't conflict across projects. Then install requirements from requirements. TXT in the integrated terminal, that keeps the environment reproducible. After packages are ready, set your entry file, for example main. Py and adjust run/debug configuration to pass args or change working directory. Make breakpoints and quick tests. Finally, run your code with the green Run button or choose Debug to step through execution and inspect variables. Use the integrated terminal for command line runs and Test Explorer for unit tests. Both offer clear output and stack traces. When packaging or deploying, export requirements and check entry points. If something fails, first confirm the active interpreter matches your virtualenv and that the terminal activates it. Mismatched interpreters and missing packages are the most common causes and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.